So right here is a.
Oh, okay, Devine High School, 1905, man. Whew. I'm at the VFW here in Devine, established in 1905. I'm outside right now. I'm gonna meet up with Jesse. He has some people with him that know the building inside and out, and see what they got to say. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? I'm Robbie.
Ben.
Ben, nice to meet you.
Jesse.
Jesse, hi, nice to meet you. Okay. Awesome. All right, here we
Where's that
go.
book at, bro? That book. Oh, no, show them.
You got a book?
Oh, I thought it moved again.
So, I mean, so it was a school down there, and there's a couple of books that have people's names that we recognize. You know?
Right. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's
They're
right. You're
still
telling me
alive
about
too,
that.
so like, wow, it's crazy.
Man, that is pretty cool.
We've down there.
Oh, really? Let me get that. Wow. That is cool.
Who's it?
What kind of book is this?
Much history, I guess. Or
Really? Wow. That is cool.
You're a pretty good chick for being down there all the time.
Yeah, yeah, that's really good. So there's
Whose
some
name was it
more.
on that one, bro?
Huh?
Whose name did we recognize?
Marvin Bentley and
Marvin Bitterly. Yeah.
And so there's more books down there
Yeah.
and stuff like that. There's a lot of stuff back there. Man, that's cool.
Yeah.
That is awesome. I should have brought my flashlight. All right. And so what was this room? Do y'all know?
I
With
think
this-
it was the classroom.
Classroom?
So we discovered yesterday while we were in here, these were windows, and now they filled it with cinder block and filled dirt outside on the outside.
Okay, so it was like just like a opening on the outside. I
Yes.
guess you could have. Well, that's weird. That's crazy. Man, yeah, it's the way the paint peels off. Yeah, this is really aged stuff. Do y'all know what's going on with this?
This is where the utilities are.
Oh, okay.
They had leaks and stuff. They went in there and did some repairs, I guess.
Oh, very cool. Yeah, this seems like it'd be a classroom. And when did the school, I guess, shut down or close down or?
I'm not sure.
around 1975, I believe.
Oh, really? Holy moly, crap.
Yeah, here's where all the books are at.
Oh man, look at that. That is so cool. That is just super cool. Yeah, you can see how old these books are. Just, that's awesome. Oh, that's so cool, all this history here. So what are all the books doing here? Do we know why they're going right here in a pile?
We just never had a chance to come down here and clean it all up. And it's just been here since we moved in.
Man, very cool.
We can try moving it over and seeing if they're gonna end up back over
The pink one.
Yeah, might have to see what's going on with there. You said it was a medical clinic, not like a hospital though, right? Just like a clinic?
Right, yeah.
Okay.
This is the best part of it. That old border.
Oh man, so cool.
These are gas furnaces here. This was a steam water hot water heater.
Very cool. This is a cool room. I like this.
So I'm thinking this was here since the building was in 1905.
Yeah, it had to have been.
There's a main plate right there.
Oh, there it is. Oh, look in here. Adventures for readers. Just how weird. Yeah, I'm really liking these old.
There you go.
There you go. So yeah, obviously another classroom.
Was that there yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a very old classroom.
Look, found it.
Oh,
Oh, the paint. That's what they used to
Yeah.
write hope.
I figured it was Samuel. What do you think?
I don't know, right? No, I don't think so.
oh, damn man.
Mattress. How weird.
Take dispenser.
Oh wow.
There's another one over here.
An old tape dispenser. That is so cool. There's a bunch of old stuff around here.
It's like a old toolbox or something.
Yes. And these are just sheets of paper, I guess. Just and this is just paint. Old cans of paint. Very cool.
We have a lot of guys have to do community service, so I was telling the guys, I said, they're gonna have them start cleaning out this area.
Okay. And then start making it into like a little haunted place, I guess.
Yeah.
Very cool.
We're gonna have to get approved by the city and stuff, make sure it's,
Sure, yeah, have them inspect it. And what was the room across? I saw a room over there.
it's just a small storage area.
Oh wow. Pretty cozy. So is this a storage room?
Yeah.
Pretty much. So how do you feel about me coming at nighttime with some guys and walking through the place? Is that something that can be done, or?
Yeah. I won't be here.
Okay. Yeah, because what we're gonna do is have all the lights off, and just like we did at the Devine Mill, we had all the lights off, just walked around with just using our night vision and try to see if there was anything inside
Yeah.
that would.
Mondays, Tuesdays, Sundays are down days, so.
So tonight would be good.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan to me. Is there any other rooms that
I guess the hall, right?
that have some history in them?
The hall was a basketball court, you know, and it's now
Okay.
a hall. Have you been in there?
I don't think so. Let's check it out.
That's our hall.
Bingo hall. So y'all have bingo nights here?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Win money and all that good stuff?
Oh yeah.
Oh man, I need to come to that. When y'all have y'all's bingo nights?
Thursdays.
Thursdays. I'm off Thursdays, that's a win. Oh yeah, no, I haven't been in here. Whoa. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good place to come.
It's creepy at night when you're by yourself, right, Roland? because the ceiling goes all the way up.
Yeah, then they lowered it.
Okay, so they lowered it. Man, I didn't even know. Yeah, I've never been in here. Got a stage and everything. Yeah, this is cool. Now the wood floors that we walked through, are those original wood floors?
Yes.
That's the original wood
This is the original wood floor right here.
Is it really?
Yeah.
So this is what they played basketball on?
Yes. Yeah. You can tell. Right here was a goalpost.
So there was no yearbooks or anything when y'all took over?
I'm not sure.
And y'all got the whole setup here for the bingo. This is like a good setup for bingo here.
Yeah.
That is cool. I definitely have to attend.
We improved it a little bit.
Yeah, I can see that. I've got it nicely set up in here. Very cool. Yeah, man, this is cool. I've never been in here.
This little storage is pretty.
Oh,
On the other side of it. Yeah, they filled in those windows.
yeah, that is bizarre.
Take it outside in the back, and that looks even.
Yeah,
weird.
super bizarre.
The way the windows are outside.
Oh wow, these cabinets were here?
Yeah.
Oh wow. There's a lot of rooms in this place.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of rooms in here. That's some good graffiti work. So I guess they just kind of like just went down. There was just like like a drop, and then they just filled it all in with dirt. Oh yeah, I can see.
These those little windows.
Man, that is crazy. So they figured they were not going to use the rooms anymore, and they just wanted to fill it in and just really.
They came and talked to Margot, and she was saying that this lady had told her there was like a stairwell coming up, like an emergency exit or something.
Oh, okay, in case of a fire.
She doesn't know where exactly, but she remembers those stairs coming up out of there. This is our meeting room for veterans.
Oh wow! And y'all make it look really nice. Y'all do a good job.
Took a while, better than. The Boy Scouts. It's gonna be Roland's maintenance room. But
Oh, there you go.
Big jam, man. Gave it to Margot, and she's slowly but surely she's starting to fix it up.
Oh, cool, yeah. Oh, it's coming along.
Yeah, and the current's along good though.
Oh, I like that popcorn machine. The bar.